So hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience driving for Lyft. This is my first day, so I'm just going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts, what I think of it. I'm actually about to go get my car washed right now. If you guys are new to my channel, about 2 months ago I quit my 9 to 5. I just don't care to work for someone else anymore. I worked in retail, I worked for a corporation, and I just couldn't take it anymore. I just didn't care for my boss. I used to think that the stuff that they wanted us to do was pointless and stupid. So I'm doing this. I'd rather do this than work for them. But it's just to get a few extra dollars on the table. And I just like the fact that it's very flexible and I can do whatever. So I just did my first ride. It was super easy. It was an older woman. I was starving and I happened to go to McDonald's, and of course as soon as I hit the drive-thru I get an alert saying that I got my first drive. So now I'm gonna go back to McDonald's and get some food. The ride went very well. So it is now around like 1:30 in the afternoon. I've only had one ride all day. I don't know why, just one ride. At first I was driving around in different areas, but then like I was watching videos and it said don't drive around, just stay home and wait for the rides to come to you because they'll come in within like 20 miles. No. So one ride. I'm now waiting to pick up my kids from school, and then I have a meeting I need to go to, and then I have to take my son to practice. So my first day didn't go that great. I'm gonna try Uber. I'm just waiting to get approved and then we'll go from there. Hello, so today's my second day driving Lyft and Uber. The first day I actually just did Lyft. Today I'm doing Uber and Lyft because I finally got accepted. It's been 2 or 3 days since my first day. It's just because me and Bernard have to share this car. This is the good car. The other car is a nightmare. So it's Saturday, it's Memorial Day weekend, and I live at the Jersey Shore, so it's been really good today. My first hour I got 3 rides between the 2 apps, and I'm trying to learn how to bounce between the apps. I kind of hurt myself because I didn't know this until now, that when you pick up one person through one app you need to go offline on the other one. Didn't know that, and I feel like that hurt me because I was picking someone up via Lyft and Uber went off twice, so that lowered my acceptance rate, and now it's been like an hour since I had my last ride. So I think I'm gonna go home for a little bit till my app goes off. But with Lyft this weekend, because it's Memorial Day weekend and it's the Jersey Shore, Lyft is giving you an extra $150 if you do, or an extra $170 if you do 20 rides. So that's pretty dope. Uber's not doing anything. Apparently I live in a more Uber user community. Not that many people use Lyft here. I like Lyft. Like between the 2 days that I've been using it, I definitely like Lyft better. I like the fact that the app is a lot easier to manage. My first Uber ride was this morning, and although I was at Family Dollar getting a charger, and there was an Uber ride like 2 minutes away, literally 2 minutes away. It said that it was 5 minutes away, but it was around the corner. But the Uber app, like the maps that Uber gives you, it was like a pain in the ass. It's better to use Google Maps. Like it was just not telling me the right way, and that was very frustrating. I got like very anxious, and I was kind of late. Like I felt like it took way longer than it should have. So that was really frustrating at first. And the fact that Uber, it's not allowing me to get tips. I don't know why. My first ride had said to turn on your tips, but it says that I'm not accepting tips, and I don't know why. I don't know how to manage the app. But overall I really like it. It's really easy. Everyone has been so nice, so sweet. Everyone has been going to work. I haven't had any like out-of-towners yet, which I'm surprised. I'm sure if I go into Atlantic City then I would, but Atlantic City scares me, to be completely honest. Like yes, it's very touristy, but there's also like a lot of crime that goes around there, and I'm just not down for that. Like I'm a mom of 3 kids, like nah. But yeah, so far I really like it. If you guys are interested in driving for Uber and Lyft, there's gonna be links below. It's pretty easy. It's so cool. Like my first hour I made $60 alone. Like beats my old job. If you ask why I'm doing this, yes, I'm a stay-at-home mom now, but I still need to make a few extra dollars for some of my bills. I don't know, I'd rather do this than being stuck in a fucking mall all day. I'm about to go home for a little bit and wait for some rides. Alright, so I just finished up my first day driving for Uber and Lyft. I stopped driving around 4 o'clock just because I needed to go home and cook my kids dinner. But overall, I had a really positive experience. I did end up going into Atlantic City and doing Uber. Uber was the most successful today. I really didn't get many Lyft drivers. Plus, the closer I got to the ocean, both apps started like crashing on me and were lagging. So I had to pick one, and Uber was the one that was giving me the most rides. So it was back to back to back, and everyone was very pleasant. Everyone was more of like a tourist, just there for the weekend. I ended up going to Borgata, Flagship, and then I ended up driving all the way into Margate, and then from Margate, Ventnor, and then Ventnor to Ocean City. And then I was just like, no, I'm just gonna go home since Ocean City connects to the Parkway. So overall, I had a really positive experience. I made over $100 in 5 hours. I feel like had I went into the city just to begin with, then I would have probably made so much more money. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I can definitely see myself doing this way more. Probably just on maybe the weekends. You're a mom and you're looking to pick up some extra cash, just do it. Like, everyone was so pleasant. Like, everyone was very, very nice, very understanding. Like, they help you. I'm not that good with directions, honestly, and trying to play with the apps and all that. So people are very helpful. They understand. And yeah, so that's day 2. Technically, this is my first day driving Uber. I tried Lyft the other day, but I really liked it. It was so easy. Like, I wish I would have did this sooner. So today is day 4 of me doing Uber and Lyft. I've been mostly doing Uber. I keep both on, but Uber has been more successful due to the area that I'm in. More people just use Uber. For every like 5 rides that I do with Uber, I'll get like 1 Lyft ride. So I'm heading into Atlantic City right now. If Atlantic City doesn't do well, I'm probably going to go into Ocean City. It's Memorial Day and people are probably heading back north. Hoping not too many people have already left. It's raining out, so we'll see how it is. And yesterday, I also drove around. I didn't vlog at all, but I did a few rides. It was like pouring yesterday, but it kind of worked to my advantage. The first hour, I had already gotten like 3 trips, so it's been pretty good. It's easy. Everyone has been super friendly, super nice. The only thing I could say is the Uber app. I wish the navigation was a lot easier. I'm just gonna head into Atlantic City and start driving. So today is day 5 of me doing Uber and Lyft. Yesterday I never got to finish vlogging, but I only did 3 trips, but I ended up doing a really long one, which I liked. I went from AC to Camden, so that was a pretty good ride. I mean, just for that ride, just for going to Philly, I made like $100. So if I can do this, you guys definitely can. It was a whole family. They were really nice. Luckily, I have a big enough car for it. Like, I have 3, I think this is a 7-seater. So yeah, I'm about to vacuum out my car and start for the day. I think tomorrow I'm gonna take a break. Tomorrow and Thursday, and then start again on Friday. Saturday I have to do makeup for a wedding, so I'll probably do it later in the afternoon. But overall, it's been pretty good. Just a nice way to make some extra cash. And I've only been driving during the day just because I'm a female. I know you could probably make more money at night, and especially the area that I'm from, with all the casinos, but I just don't feel safe doing it. So I'm about to go vacuum out my car and start for the day. It's the end of my day now. I'm heading back from Pennsylvania. Today was kind of rough. It's a Tuesday, right? Yes, today is Tuesday. It's a day after Memorial Day, so not that many people were in the city anymore. So I wasn't really getting any rides. And I decided to just go home because, for one, I had to go to the bathroom, and 2, I'm just like, I'll get whatever rides from the people around where I live. So I got one, and it was an hour away. It was near Trenton, which is like all the way on the other side of the state, like completely west. It was like an hour and a half away. I like the long trips because you get paid over $100 for the long trips, and it's just like, I got $100 just for driving, like something that we do every day. So I was happy with it. I'm now about to head home and go feed the kids, and I'm theirs for the rest of the night. I just wanted to share my experience driving for Uber. Everyone has been really nice. In the 5 days that I've been doing it, I have not gotten any weirdos. Everyone has been really, really nice. I've been making sure that I check like their stars. Everyone has been over a 4.5. Lyft has been pretty good as well. Everyone has been really nice with Lyft. So if you're thinking about doing it, or you just want that extra cash but you're scared of like the weirdos, that's really what was holding me back. It's worth it. I think it is. I mean, to do it on the side, I plan on only doing this about 3 days a week, mainly Friday, Saturday, and Sunday during the summer because it's busy where I live, and it's a very touristy area. So to me, it's worth it just to get some extra cash. And yeah, I will leave a link below if you guys are interested, because if you click the link, you get a bonus and I get a bonus. Just go for it. It's really easy to sign up. You could do it right through the app. You just need to upload a picture of your driver's license, your registration, and your car insurance, and it's that easy. Lyft, I got approved right away. Uber took about a day. If you guys have any questions, I'll definitely answer them. Just leave them in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up.